Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar, JP Sax, I Don't Miss You. I missed you guys, so I'm back here. So let's take a look at this song from JP Sax. We have a capo set here on the 2nd fret. With that, we have the easiest chords here for this song, and there are 3 different chords here, and with one chord progression that goes round and round through the entire song, so we love that. Okay, so let's take a look at the chords. We have first the D. Alright, so that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. Next chord is the G. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. And the final chord is B minor. That's a bar chord. So we place a bar here on the 2nd fret from this bottom up 5 strings. All right, all strings except from this last E in the bass. So I'll place a bar there on the 2nd fret, and then the rest will be 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. All right. So we're gonna look at the strumming pattern, which is very easy. We're gonna do that with a D. So I'll grab the D chord, and then the rest here with the strumming, your hand will be down, down, clap, down. So down, down, clap, down. That's one round. So a couple rounds will be all right. So the chord progression here that goes from the beginning till the end will be D, 4 string rounds, then G, 4 string rounds, then B minor, 4 rounds, and back to G, 4 rounds. All that is one chord progression round. So D, G, B minor, G. D, G, B minor, G, like this, okay? So it's gonna be like that through the entire song, 4 string rounds per chord, and with tempo, it sounds like this. Starts again with D. And that, my friends, covers JP Sax, I Don't Miss You. Very easy song, very suited for guitar playing. So give it a try, guys. And if you love this tutorial or just like it, please show me a like there. Thumb up, subscribe if you haven't yet, and until next time, play tuned.